Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found in Android, that is screen overlay detected error. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Solution 1: Find out the problem causing apps. The very first thing you should do is to find those apps that have permission to draw over screen. To do so, you have to go to your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. Find the app that is causing the error and tap on it. Tap on Permissions and turn off the toggle for Draw over other apps. Exit the settings and try to open the app again. If it still does not work, try disabling other apps one by one to find the app that is causing the issue. Solution 2: Restart your Android phone. Another thing you need to do to resolve screen overlay detected issue is restarting the phone. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the error or not. Solution 3: Clear cache and data of problem-causing app. The corrupted app cache can also result in screen overlay detected error. So, consider clearing the app cache and data to solve this issue. For this, you need to open Settings, then go to the Apps or App Manager. Find and click on the app. Go to the Storage option. Tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, open that app and check if the issue is solved. Solution 4: Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, just download it. To do this, go to Settings app. Then find and tap on Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 5: Check if the app is compatible with your device. The screen overlay detected error can be also caused due to incompatibility between app and device version. So, check if the app is compatible with your Android version or not. To do so, you have to open Google Play Store on your phone. Search for the app that is causing screen overlay detected. After that, you have to check the app's details there. Solution 6: Uninstall and reinstall the app. You can even solve screen overlay detected by uninstalling and reinstalling the problem-causing app. To uninstall app, find the problem-causing app on your device's home screen. Long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install the app again. Go to Google Play Store and search for the app in search box. Click on the app and then tap on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now try to open the app again. Solution 7: Factory reset your phone. Factory resetting the phone is the last solution that can help you to fix this error. However, doing this will erase all data on your phone, so ensure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. To do so, open the Settings, go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. Then, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. Now, restart your phone and check if the screen overlay detected error is resolved. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users having the same issue. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.